Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you QuickBooks how to fix your deposit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up a QuickBooks app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged in, what you need to do is just simply tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you are here, tap on the option that says all, and then you'll find the option that says transactions. Simply tap on that. Now here what you need to do is tap on banking or bank deposit. Look for the deposit that needs to be fixed. This could be under recent transactions or in the specific bank account you've recorded the deposit. Then second is to edit a deposit. If you need to edit a deposit, find the deposit you need to change and then tap on it, select edit, make your changes, and after making the necessary changes, tap on it. Now if you want to delete a post because it was entered incorrectly or duplicated, find the deposit in the banking or bank deposit section, then tap on deposit to open it, then tap on three dots at the top right corner, then select delete from the options and confirm the actions. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.